This is just going to be a short one today. Wanted to show you how my indoor plant room is doing and to show you what I baked this morning. So let's get right to it. I harvested these out of my little bitsy cold frame yesterday. Yum. These are planted in egg cartons, left to right, Swiss chard, bok choy, peas, early cabbage, lettuce, and broccoli. And as you can see, the bok choy and the lettuce are doing best. This is basil, and then my Tiny Tim tomato plant. And it looks like I might be having some buds come on. When I get up close, it fuzzes out. Try to get that so you can see it. Oh, there we go. If I put my hand behind it, it makes it so you can see it. I have another Tiny Tim down there, my avocado tree and my lemon tree. Pepper plant that was all just a stick is getting leaves on it. Figs are coming along nicely. My comfrey, and this is in the back, eggplant. I couldn't think of it there for a second. Here I'm trying to get some sweet potato slips. This is from an organic sweet potato that I bought at the supermarket. And it looks like we're getting some roots and some slips started there. It'll be a while before they turn into anything that I can plant, but that's good because I've got a while before I can plant them out anyway. My aloe vera and one little basil plant. Okay, I found what I thought was blackberries in the freezer. So I thawed them out, and guess what? They're not blackberries, they were plums. I had to take the seeds out, but I just sort of made up my own recipe. I threw about a cup of flour in there and 2 eggs, a little pinch of salt, and a bunch of Splenda so that they'd be sweet. And cooked it for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's what it looks like. It firmed up nice. And there we go. I tasted it. It's yum. Yum, yum, yum. It's very yummy, but I'm going to make it even yummier. Just watch and see. There we go. Yum is yummier when it has whipped cream on it. So I hope here's what else I'm going to have today. I think I'll have a glass of my homemade kombucha. I like store-bought kombucha, but I like to make my own too. And it's always good. I don't know. Hard to tell which I like best, mine or the stores. They're different, but they're both good. Well, that's about it for today. I enjoyed showing you this just teeny little bit of my day. I hope you're having a good day. Thank you for watching. May the good Lord richly bless you.